red sugar balls, mini red M&Ms, and Kit Kat stick. I love red sugar sprinkles. I love M&Ms too. And some strawberries. But don't tell Mommy. First, you need to peel the strawberry leaves. Then put the Kit Kat stick inside the strawberry. To make a Kit Kat holder, you just need any container and put rice in it. Now let's get decorated! Dip the strawberries into the melted white chocolate. Dip it into the red sugar sprinkle. Ta-da! Take another strawberry and dip it into the melted white chocolate again. Take some red sugar balls and stick it onto the strawberry. Take another strawberry and dip it in the melted white chocolate. Then take some M&Ms and pop it onto the strawberry. For another pattern, dip the strawberry into the melted white chocolate. And we're gonna put it in the fridge for 20 minutes so that it can harden. The strawberries are out of the fridge. I mix the red food coloring and the melted white chocolate together, and I put them in a piping bag. Now let's pack some swirls.